There are places that remind you just how alive the earth still is, where water carves through rock, you feel small here in the best way, like you're part of something ancient. And paths are etched into mountains by hand, centuries ago. Every step on this Levada is a lesson in presence. Watch your footing, breathe in the forest, and listen to the silence. This isn't just a walk, it's a return to nature, to yourself. And when you reach the end, you realize the real journey happened inside. Madeira, thank you.